Good evening, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dear English. Students, as your recommendation, today I bring for all of you an interesting story which is Hindi to English. Today I'll make you learn that how to translate it in English. So, without getting late, let's start. Today's topic name is चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका। अपराध करने वाले व्यक्ति के मन में सदा यही शंका बनी रहती है कि कहीं वह पकड़ा न जाए। There remains a doubt in the mind of the person committing the crime that he may not be caught. उसके व्यवहार में अंतर आ जाता है। The difference comes in their nature. अपराध को छिपाने की कोशिश में वह कई बार इस प्रकार की हरकत कर बैठता है जिससे उसका अपराध सामने आ जाता है। To hide the mistake, he does such work which is come very fast in front of the person. यह कहानी इसी प्रकार के एक चोर की है। This story is related to that thief जो अपने को बचाने के प्रयास में इस प्रकार की हरकत करता है। Who hides to himself from that mistake और पकड़ा जाता है and may caught। राजमहल में चोरी हो गई थी। There was the robbery happened in the palace। प्रातःकाल राजा साहब अपने वस्त्र तथा आभूषण उतारकर स्नान करने गए। The king of that palace went for bathing after get down their garments and clothes too। स्नान करके वापस आकर देखा। As soon as he came from the river, then he saw after bathing कि उनकी हीरे की अंगूठी गायब हो चुकी थी। That he saw that his diamond ring had been vanished after coming from bath। पता लगाया जाने लगा कि उस समय वहां कौन कौन था। The king addressed that who were present at that moment when I was not at my clothes and near the garments। उस समय वहां पहरेदार at that time there was a watchman धोबी, washerman कहार, potter नाई, barber सफाई कर्मचारी, द कहाँ है बोल दिया क्या। द क्लीनर्स आदि मिलकर 1 दर्जन लोग थे। There was present a dozen people at that moment when the king had gone for bathing। उनमें से अंगूठी किसने ली। Who took the ring at that moment in those thieves। यह समझना कठिन था। That was difficult to understand क्योंकि सभी पुराने तथा because every workers were too old and क्योंकि वो लोग पुराने थे और विश्वसनीय थे। Because that people were trustworthy and too old। राजा साहब भी किसी निर्दोष को दंड देना नहीं चाहते थे। The king itself doesn't want to make them punished। चोर इन्हीं लोगों में से कोई एक था। The thief was one of them। राजा ने अपने मंत्री को बुलाया। The king after that called their minister और उनसे चोर का पता लगाने को कहा। And king told to make them judge that who was the robber of the king. मंत्री ने सभी 1 दर्जन लोगों को एक कमरे में कतार से खड़ा कर दिया. Then the minister, as ordered from the king, their minister took all the suspicions in a line, one by one, और स्वयं राजा साहब के पास एक कुर्सी लगाकर बैठ गया. And then he sat just in front of the king with having a chair. राजा ने मंत्री से पूछा कि क्या चोर इन्हीं में से कोई है. Then the king asked from that minister that is the thief one of them. मंत्री ने कहा कि अभी इसका पता लग जाएगा. Then the minister told to the king that the thief will soon come in front of you. राजा ने मंत्री से फिर पूछा. Then the king asked from the minister again कि वे इसका पता कैसे लगवाएंगे. That how will the minister judge the thief in all of them? मंत्री ने कहा. Then the minister said, महाराज, dear sir, चोर को मैं पहचान गया हूं. I have judged the thief. उसकी दाढ़ी में एक तिनका लगा हुआ है. उसकी दाढ़ी में एक तिनका लगा हुआ है. The grass has hid it in their beard. राजा ने पूछा, वह कौन है. The king asked that who was he. इस पर मंत्री ने उठकर एक सफाई कर्मचारी को पकड़ा. Then the minister stood and caught a cleaner और कहा and then said at a stretch कि यही चोर है. That he is the thief. राजा साहब को बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ. Then the king, too confused to hear the minister's judgment. उन्होंने मंत्री से पूछा कि वे कैसे कह सकते हैं कि यह व्यक्ति ही चोर है. Then the king asked from the minister at a stretch that how can he say like that this one person is a real thief. इसकी दाढ़ी में तो तिनका दिखाई नहीं देता. The beard of the person doesn't show any grass. मंत्री ने कहा. Then the minister said, महाराज, dear sir, जब मैंने आपसे कहा कि when I said to you that चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका लगा है, the grass has put on the thief's beard, तब सभी लोग तो शांत खड़े रहे. Then every person stood silent at that moment. but यह व्यक्ति मुंह घुमाकर अपनी दाढ़ी टटोलने लगा था. However, this one person had moved his face and he was just handling his beard from his hand for the long time. मेरे कहने को सच मानकर यह अपनी दाढ़ी में तिनका खोज रहा था. He was just searching the straw in his beard after saying to me that he was the real thief. तभी मैं समझ गया. Then I understood at a stretch कि यही चोर है. That this is the real thief. सफाई कर्मचारी ने चोरी कबूल की. Then the thief cleaner accepted that robbery at that moment. और वह दंडित हुआ. And then he punished at a stretch. तभी से यह कहावत चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका प्रचलित हो गई. तभी से यह कहावत चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका प्रचलित हो गई. Since then, the saying of a speck in the bed of a thief has been spread and famous a lot as a saying. So students, I hope you liked this interesting story, The King and the Thief, very well. I hope you will never forget to like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to spread this interesting story in between your dear friends. See you in next video, dear English.